Alright, 60-second van tour. We got Billy Vertical Vans.
Oh, what's up?
This is his newest build.
Welcome.
Oh, he's got a fridge, a sink. Show us around. Woo, chemistry.
Got stove. Got some cabinets. Up here. We got tons of drawers all over the place. We got this cool table right here. Hold down.
What year is it? 2017?
Lift
Oh,
up.
wow, look at that.
It is a 2017 Ram ProMaster.
And you sleep sideways.
Sleep sideways.
How many miles are on it?
40,000 miles.
How much do you want for this fan?
Right now I'm asking 64,000 for this fan.
Alright, where can you find pictures of it?
Verticalvans.com.
Verticalvans.com.
/livethevanlife.
Also find him on Instagram, Vertical Vans. What's your favorite part? What's your least favorite part?
Favorite part is the seating area and the counter. So homey.
What's your least favorite part?
Least favorite part? The heat right now in Salt Lake. It sucks. You want to see the garage?
Let's see the garage. Hurry up, it's a little bit over a minute.
Yeah, bike storage bays.
Oh,
these
wow.
Big drawers.
Oh man, super nice.
They all pull out.
Dang.
And a light switch too.
And find him on YouTube, Billy's Build Outs.
Peace.
Woo! Vertical, horizontal, perpendicular, parallel, circular.
We build the vans
all the ways.